Hello everyone. We are in a workshop organized by Asian Product Organization, and actually we are working as a group, and our group members. I am Coşkun from Turkey.
I'm Patrick from Singapore.
I'm Kanika from Cambodia. I'm Yui from Japan.
As you see, we represent different countries, and we'll discuss the potential solutions for food loss and waste.
Okay, I think in Singapore, the food loss and waste is a big issue because culturally, a lot of Singaporeans are Chinese, and Singapore, we have a culture of abundance. So a lot of times when we serve food or we go to dinners, when we have friends, we tend to like to overorder. And a lot of people who eat don't finish all the food. So there's a lot of food waste in Singapore. So I think this is one of the very big challenges that we have in our country.
Hi, I'm Katika and I'm from Cambodia. And as a Cambodian, I think one of the main challenges to reduce food loss and waste in our country is the lack of awareness for end consumer. Sometimes we buy more than we actually need it. We buy what we want, we buy more than we actually need it, and all those surplus go to waste. And this contribute a lot to food waste and loss, and also contribute a lot to the environment.
Hello, my name is Yui, participating from Japan. I'm working as a consultant in the field of international cooperation. So in the context of in my country, Japan, I think one of the major factors complicating the problem of food loss and waste is long-standing business practices. For example, to meet consumers' high demand for freshness and appearance, retailers tend to over-order beyond demand forecast, and this leads including unsold inventory and returns.
Regarding this food loss and the wastages in our country, mainly the infrastructure gaps, the cold storage chains that we need, especially in the rural areas where demand supply gaps is one of the big aspects over there. So apart from that, since we have a most populated country in the world, so we need, you can say, we have a different climates throughout the countries. So this is one of the, you can say, the big challenge to manage. Somewhere it is, you can say, cold, sometimes the most rains. So we are facing some sort of difficulty while doing the harvestings, post-harvestings. So these are the major issues with respect to, you can say, the India.